Aloha everyone and welcome to Skincare with Hiram. If you don't know who I am, my name's Hiram and I'm passionate about teaching you how to perfect your skincare routine. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can see my videos every week. Welcome to another episode of Hiram Humiliates Himself by Making Super Controversial Statements. Starring me. I swear to God, anytime I make a video about a controversial subject, people just freak out. Like you say that SK2 may not be worth it and people are like, alert the guards, he must not escape alive. But here I am still doing my thing. Today I'm going to be talking about the signature 10-step skincare routine that so many people follow it and why I think that it's kind of bullshit, if I may be honest. Now before you start typing angrily below about how I'm wrong, let me just lead you through the video. I'm gonna talk about why I think this way, the scientific data kind of backing this up, and just why my personal preference is to not go for a 10-step skincare routine. And then you can type your hate comment below after that. Let's get into it. So if you guys are familiar with the skincare community at all, you have probably heard of the signature 10-step skincare routine. I believe this was popularized by Korean skincare culture, which is like the mecca of skincare. Now, I am definitely not one to criticize anything that originated regarding skincare in Korea because oh my God, like Koreans have the most beautiful skin I've ever seen in my life. And honestly, like the fact that a white boy is coming onto this camera and being like, let me criticize the people with the most beautiful skin in the world should speak enough for itself. I don't know why you're not clicking off right now. But I want to say I'm not criticizing Korean skincare, I'm not criticizing Korean culture or anything regarding that. I'm just saying why I personally don't like the 10-step skincare routine and why I think it's kind of BS, and I'm going to explain that to you right now. Regardless, a 10-step skincare routine is basically exactly what it says. 10 different processes that you go through to achieve perfect skin. Products for this cycle so that people will purchase 10 different products that they can use for their entire skincare system. Now, every 10-step skincare routine is different, but the standard one tends to go like this. Step 1, oil cleanser. Step 2, oil-free foaming cleanser. Step 3, exfoliant. Step 4, a toner. Step 5, an essence. Step 6, a serum. Step 7, a sheet mask. Step 8, an eye cream. Step 9, a sleeping mask. And step 10, SPF. Whew, that was a mouthful. Now before I go into the bashing, I want to say 3 things. First, skincare is amazing and we should celebrate every single person who is taking care of their skin. So if you're someone who has been doing the 10-step skincare routine, you love your results, you go, boo. I am so proud of you. I'm happy you're taking care of your skin. Keep going. Number 2, my skin is shit compared to Korean skin. That should be obvious. So take everything that I say with a grain of salt because I have lots of improvements that I need to make within my skin and I am in no way saying that my skin is better than Korean skin. Cause that's a lie. And finally, if you do have any other opinions, let me know down below. Do so in a respectful way, cite scientific sources. I would love to hear your guys' arguments. If you do have any against mine, just do so in a respectful manner and I will freaking love you and I will grow and learn more. Reason number 1 that I am not a fan of this system is because of the potential irritation that can come along with using 10 products at once. Now, if you guys don't know me, I love skincare. I am obsessed with products. I have so many, but I'm very particular about what type of products I pair together. Now, if you guys don't know my philosophy when it comes to skincare, I tend to lean more towards clean skincare because of the potential irritants within products. One of these being fragrance, the main one that I feel like is the worst when it comes to skincare formulations. Now, I'm not gonna go into crazy detail about fragrance. Let me know if you guys do want to know more about it, I'll create a video. But not all fragrance is harmful for our skin. Concentrations of essential oils, for example, up to 0.1% within a skincare product are totally safe for our skin. However, most companies, when they formulate a product, they will go up to this 0.1% level or they will go above it, thereby creating potential irritation for our skin. Now, take that one product and multiply it by 10. If you have 10 different products, all of which have the max amount of fragrance or essential oils that your skin can take. Pairing them together and doing that every single day, I can only imagine the amount of damage and the amount of potential irritation that it is creating for your skin. Fragrance and essential oils have the capability of drying out and resulting in cell death on the surface of your skin. So it's really important that people are aware of this. And when it comes to the 10-step program, unless all of the products are fragrance-free or the majority are fragrance-free, or free of any other irritating ingredients like drying alcohols, stripping agents. When you pair all of these together and expose your skin to those harmful ingredients every single day and every single night, that's a lot for your skin to take. And for me to feel comfortable with using a 10-step system, I would need to make sure that the majority of the products do not have any irritating ingredients for my skin. If you want to know about the risk of fragrance and essential oil, I've included some links and scientific studies below. It will explain everything there. The second reason is because when you look at all of these products, a lot of the products essentially do the same thing. For example, consider using a toner, using an essence, and then using a serum. But when you consider like what a toner, what an essence, and what a serum is supposed to do, they're very similar in what they're supposed to address within the skin. I feel like it's really easy to find products like, for example, a serum that includes all the advantages that you would get within using 3 products within 1 product. For example, you may have a hydrating toner and a green tea essence and a vitamin C serum. But I know off the top of my head of multiple serums that include a high concentration of green tea, a high concentration of hydrating ingredients, and a high concentration of vitamin C all within 1 product. And so that makes me think, why would I need to use 3 different products if I can just use 1? You feel me? Now, obviously the concentrations may not be the same, but when it comes to like what you're exposing your skin to, you don't always need the highest concentration out there. It's okay for a balance of everything, especially when it's a concoction of really beneficial ingredients for your skin that serums do provide. You don't need the strongest thing out there. You can get really good results from those concentrations present within the serum. And if you're saying, but Hiram, my serum isn't powerful enough to do that, bitch, find a better serum. There are amazing serums out there. Definitely some that I will say will treat the issues within your skin. That's the beauty of the skincare industry. There's so many options to try. All right, I can already hear the angry comments coming. For the night is dark and full of terrors. Side note, are you guys so freaking excited for the Game of Thrones new season? I am so excited. Actually, maybe by the time this video has gone up, the season's already out. You know, my ass is gonna be watching that. Let me know if you're gonna be watching that because I am so excited. Anyway, reason number 3. Sometimes using that many products on your skin can be bad for your skin. And this is where I'll say it really depends on the person's skin, but sometimes exposing your skin to that many products every single day can cause a lot of adverse reactions. I've spoken to people who went through the 10-step skincare system and their skin only got progressively worse, and they attributed it to using that many products every single day. And they've even said it took years for their skin to recover afterwards, because when you're providing that level of hydration to your face, that level of exfoliants, it can create an adverse reaction within the skin to where your skin starts not producing enough hydration, the cell turnover rate isn't as high, different problems like that. Now, this isn't the same for everyone's skin, but it is a possibility, and I feel risky exposing my skin to that many products at once. The 4th reason being that I feel like the 10-step skincare routine is more of a marketing gimmick than it actually is necessary for your skin. What I was saying before, kind of with products being able to do the same things, I think a lot of companies recognize that 1 serum could accomplish what 3 different products could. But companies also know that the more a consumer purchases their products, obviously the more money they're making, the better for them. And I think that a lot of companies have ulterior motives when it comes to this, and rather than creating a bomb-ass serum that can treat so many different issues in someone's skin, they're gonna say, let's divide up the benefits between these 3 products so that the people will have to purchase 3 different products rather than just purchase 1 product. I can't confirm this because I haven't worked with product development with specific brands, but I can't help but feel like there's some shady stuff going on sometimes. It just makes sense to me. And the final reason why I do not do a 10-step skincare routine is because it's really time consuming and really expensive. If you consider the cost of every single product, let's average the product being $30 each. That's a good $300 that you're spending just for that skincare routine. And of course, it's gonna be more expensive because of the masks, because of certain treatments being more than others. Like, it just seems like a lot of expense upkeep, especially you having to replenish those every 3 months. In addition to that, oh my gosh, I can't even imagine how much time that would take. I like to say that I do take time for my skin, but if my skincare routine goes any more than 15 minutes, I'm like, okay, this is a little excessive. I need to just kind of like calm down. For 10 steps, I feel like that would take 30 to 45 minutes at least every single day. That's intense. I would not be able to handle that. And I don't feel like it's super realistic for companies to expect consumers to be at that level of devotion to a 10-step skincare routine. So that kind of sums up my entire thoughts as to why I don't want to do a 10-step skincare routine and why I don't think other people should do it. Was that too shady? I hope not. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. I really want to hear if you guys agree with this or if you don't. I'm really open-minded and I want to see the science that you guys present me with. Just make sure you do it respectfully. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can see my videos every single week. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah.